Your body is fighting a war it is programmed to lose. It's consuming its own resources to battle an invisible enemy. This conflict isn't triggered by a virus or bacteria. It's triggered by a single class of molecules that has increased by over 1,000% in our diet in the last century. This overload creates a dangerous cascade. Your cell membranes, the very walls of your biological home, become brittle and inflamed. This isn't one specific disease, it's a system-wide failure. It degrades your ability to repair, drains your cognitive function, and destroys your metabolic efficiency. Almost 40% of adults now die from conditions directly linked to this chronic, low-grade inflammation. We're all busy treating the symptoms, the blaring fire alarms, while the arsonist is still in the building lighting another match. So, how does this system work? Imagine your body's inflammatory response is a controlled demolition system. At the center are signaling molecules that act as your body's precision demolition crew. Some are demolition experts, designed to clear out damaged cells. Others are the construction crew, designed to rebuild and repair. The system's balance is determined by the raw materials you give it, specifically the ratio of two fats, omega-6 and omega-3. Your cell membrane is the loading dock. For our entire evolution, the ratio on that dock was balanced, somewhere between 1:1 and 4:1. Our bodies are engineered for that blueprint. But the modern system fails at the input stage. The main culprit? Industrial seed oils. Soybean, sunflower, corn, canola. These oils, which are pure omega-6, are cheap, they're everywhere, and they now make up over 20% of the average person's calories. When the loading dock is packed with omega-6, your demolition crew is built exclusively from pro-inflammatory materials. At the same time, we eat so little omega-3 from things like fatty fish that the construction crew is chronically understaffed. The average Western diet now has an omega-6 to 3 ratio of over 20:1. But here's the feedback loop that traps you. The enzyme that converts the omega-3 you get from plants into a form your body can actually use is the same enzyme that processes omega-6. When your system is flooded with omega-6, this gatekeeper enzyme gets saturated. It's working overtime on the wrong material. This means your body's ability to create its own anti-inflammatory compounds plummets. You can eat chia seeds all day, but if the system is clogged, you're not getting the benefit. You aren't just fueling a fire, you are simultaneously starving the firefighters. You cannot out-supplement a broken architecture. So, how do you reconfigure the system? It's an engineering protocol in 3 steps. Step 1 is the off switch. Eliminate the excess. For the next 4 weeks, eliminate all industrial seed oils. Read labels. Cook with pure avocado oil, macadamia oil, or real extra virgin olive oil. Be careful with light olive oil, which is often cut with seed oils. This is the single most important lever you can pull. Step 2 is the amplifier. Load the correct blueprint. You need to dose with high-quality triglyceride form omega-3. The target is 2 to 4 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day. This is a mechanical requirement to override that saturated enzyme. Expect to see measurable changes in inflammation within 90 days. That's how long it takes for your cell membranes to turn over. Step 3 is an optional boost. Consolidate your eating window. A 12 to 16-hour daily fast helps your system access and excrete the bad fats stored in your tissues. When you fix the membrane, other systems optimize automatically. Brain fog lifts as neuroinflammation drops. Your cellular energy improves. Your skin integrity stabilizes. This isn't just about feeling better today, it's about rebuilding the very foundation of your health, giving your body a chance to function the way it was engineered.